Hey guys, this is Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, formerly DetailJuice.com. Got this wheel right here I'm about to repair. Let me show it to you. All right, so she hit a curb and she doesn't like it, so I'm gonna fix it. First step is get it ground down. Next step is gonna be using my airbrush to touch up the paint, and then we'll be calling it a day. So I'm gonna use my Ryobi right angle die grinder and just take the edge. I am going to put a less aggressive pad on there, but just going to take the edge off this crazy scratch situation, mix up some paint, airbrush it in, be good to go. All right, I'm going to get set up, grab all the tools I need, and I'll bring you back when I've got something done. All right, I'm about to load some paint up in my gun. I was going to use my airbrush, but the actual gun is not functioning properly, so I'm going to use this mini gun. I'm just going to blow in some paint on this edge. I mixed it up. Should be pretty good, but that's where we're at now. I've gotten rid of all of the groove. It's nice and smooth, looks uniform and nice like the rest of it now. So now I'm just going to have to put some color on it. So once I get ready to do that, I'll bring you back. All right, this wheel's all done. The top there is where the repair was made. I got a decent paint blend. There was a little extra, like where she hit the curb in that area, and it was just too deep. I didn't want to make the rim look funny, so I just went ahead and left that crazy dip. But for the most part, this is a 2024 Toyota Corolla, and the wheel looks a whole lot better than it did. So that job is complete. Thanks for watching, guys. 813-846-4406 if you should need my services. Again, this is just a rim curb rash repair on this 2024 Toyota Corolla. So when I quote you for the price, you're going to get two prices. One price is going to be if you have just a machined lip, and another price is going to be if you have a painted lip that needs to be color matched and all the things like this one. Thanks for watching. Give me a call if you need me. Have a great day.